How to add Google Pay to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So there are going to be two main ways depending on where you are based in. So if you're based in the US, UK, or Canada, you're going to be able to activate Shopify Payments, and using that, you're going to be able to add Google Pay. So to do so, you simply just want to click on the Settings tab from the bottom left corner, and you just want to click on Payments. From here, you're going to have the option to activate Shopify Payments. So you simply just want to click on Activate Shopify Payments and just go through the necessary information that you need to fill out. Depending on whether you're a business or an individual, it's just going to ask you for personal information. Just go ahead and add that, and then you're just going to be able to choose the type of payment methods that you accept, including Google Pay. But now let's say that you're based in a different place or location that does not support Shopify Payments. In this case, you simply again just want to click on Settings and go to Payments. But this time around, you simply just want to choose another provider, which does actually offer Google Pay as an option. Most commonly used one is going to be Stripe. So if you just scroll down a little bit or just search for it, you should be able to find Stripe card payments. As you can see, it does actually accept Google Pay. So you simply just want to click on that and install it. And once you do this, you simply are going to log into your Stripe account and just complete the setup. It's very simple to do. So this is pretty much how to set up a Google Pay payment method on your Shopify store. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.